everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the VHS LC BOOKHUB, which is our new way of ordering books from the library. You now have the ability to put books on hold and have them delivered to you. Or you can just fill out this form and I will deliver it to you. Either way, the books will be delivered to you in 24 hours or less. So how do we do that? How do we put a book on hold in Destiny? I know for some of you guys, this might be a new thing. So I'm going to go through the process on how to do that in this video. And I'm also going to show you how to fill out this form. This form will be in lots of different places so that you can access it. You can access it on the VHS library website. It'll be on the front page. We will also have it in Destiny itself. You'll have a link to this page, to this form, and it'll be in the LC's Google Classroom. So in this form, it's going to ask you a few things. It's going to ask you what way you're doing that. So you're going to put your email in, your email address in. So I'm going to put mine in. And then it's going to ask you a few questions. So how do you want to order your book? Do you want to use Destiny to hold your book and then you log in with your Google account? Or do you want me to pick a book for you? And you can choose which one you want. So in this case, I'm going to say I want Destiny to pick up. I'm going to go through Destiny and I'm going to hold the book and then it's going to come to me. So then what it's going to do is then you're going to have some options. Do you want to pick it up at the LC when you're in for hybrid learning? Do you want to pick it up in front of the school during school hours? Or do you want to have Miss Malaspina drop it off at home? Any of these options you have. And if you pick the in front of the school or the Miss Malaspina drop it off at your house option, you will then tell me the address of your house or what day you're coming to pick it up. And at the VHS LC one, when you're in for hybrid learning, it'll ask you what day are you in for hybrid learning. So how do I get a book by putting it on hold through Destiny? It's very simple. The easiest way to do that is to go to our card catalog. And you can go to our card catalog a number of ways. If you saw on the video, it had a link right there that would take you right to our card catalog, or you can get to it from our homepage. So this is our homepage. It's vhslib.weebly.com. And you just can click on catalog at the top. And in here, I'm going to have that link to the document will be in here. The Google form will be in here. And you can also, you'll be able to see this video in here if you need any questions or forget sort of how to put the book on hold. But all you do to put the book on hold is you go to log in. Now you're going to log in with your Google account. It'll click right in here and it will take you in. I already have a Follett account, so I'm just going to use that. But you will be using your Google account. So all you do to put a book on hold is you go into our books and you see what we have. So if you wanted a book on U.S. history, you can just type up here, U.S. history, and it's going to show you all the books that we have. So maybe I want to read, and this one about the Marines, this Level 0 Heroes book. Now, if you want to learn more about it, remember you can click in here. It'll tell you more about the book. And right up here, it says hold. And in here, you just hit hold. And then it will pop up here and it says, here's the book. It's held for you. And then I get a notification saying that book is held and it's, on hold for you. And then you'll come pick it up. So simple. All you do, log into Destiny using your Google account and you can go and put a book on hold. You can look through our collections. You can search by topic. You can search by title, author. You can just go back to our homepage and see some of the recently added books. And any one that says in there are ones that you can check out. Even if it's a book that's out, like Cursed, you can put it on hold. So when the book comes back, you would be the next one to get it. So we have received a request from Cursed, and when it comes back, we'll make sure to give it to you. So All you do here is put it on hold, is just hit that hold button. It's so simple. So say you don't want to do it that way. Say you want Miss Malaspina to pick it up for you. So I'm going to choose have Miss Malaspina, pick it up at the front door of the school, and then it says submit. So then we're going to go back and submit another response. And in this response here, you'll see we put our email address in again, because that will let us know, Miss Malaspina, know who you are. And then you have the option of having me pick books for you. So you're not positive what you want to read. That you sort of know. This year we're not going to fully allow browsing in the library, just because of you can contaminate some of the books. So let me do it for you. I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm going to do it for you. So you're going to put your first name. So I'll put my name in. Your last name. It'll tell me what grade you're in. And then you want me to order it for you, I can do it that way. So remember, right here is the link to Destiny. So if I wanted a specific book like Cursed, and if you know the author, write it in. If you don't, it's okay. Any specifics you'd like Miss Malaspina to know. I like mystery books. Especially one with female leads. And then you can mark the genre you like. So you can write, mark mystery, and then how do you want to pick up the book? So then you have the options, the same options you would have if you put the book on hold. And then what you're going to do is you're going to say, I want to pick it up at the front door of the school, for example. And then you're finished. It's that simple. And then I will get your notification. I will then email you and say, hey, that book's ready for you. Come get it. And you will be able to then get books through our library. I know, I wish you guys could all be back in the library with me and browsing the shelves, and I miss you all. But I think that, this gives us the opportunity for you to get books in lots of different ways. And, I'll be highlighting and making videos and highlighting some of the newer books when they come out for you. But from now on, how we're going to do things is we're going to use this BOOKHUB for ordering. So this form is going to be very important when you're looking to order a book. Thank you, guys.